guys. So how to reset that little annoying triangle. Just change the oil. So now you're going to come over here, you're going to press the menu button, you're going to slide over past, don't go on the little triangle, red triangle. You're going to go to the settings, you're going to press, you're going to come down to maintenance, you're going to select maintenance. You're going to do you want to initialize the maintenance? Yes. Maintenance is complete. It's as easy as that. Can you believe that? All right, so let's go back by doing this, and we're back to square one. No more little annoying triangle, and we are good to go. Turn off the car. Let's save some gas. Bye, everyone.